Good morning, everyone. It's Sunday. Sunday. What's the best thing about this weekend is tomorrow's a public holiday. Hari Raya Haji. Yeah. Start off today, I'm going to have breakfast first, and then I'm gonna do some wheel replacements for my new board, the Ramathorn. I'm gonna change out the mini monsters into these that I have 4 colors of. I have the blue, the pink, the orange, and the green. Okay, so my board will have 4 wheels with 4 different colors. That will be dope. Just take a closer look at my new Ramathorn. Check it out. Look at the nice graphic over here. Do you see? So right now I have bear trucks on it and Hawgs mini monsters 70mm, and now I'm going to change it out with the Hawgs Tracers. Okay, show them the Tracers. And not just green. What other colors?
It is
Blue.
aqua.
Yeah.
This hot
pink.
And orange, but there's also yellow.
Yeah.
I'll show you. This is my first favorite. This is second. This is third, and this is fourth. Actually, this is not really. Oh yeah, this is fourth. Okay.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, well, how do you want to put it? Front. Let's do the front first. What 2 colors?
This is the front. This one.
Yeah.
Put orange here.
Okay. Want to bury you?
Oh really?
Here you go.
I keep running from Australia.
Australia?
Keep outside.
Oh, correct. See? That's how you put it.
Oh, cool.
Then I put it back.
Cool. Remember the time you had to step on it outside?
Yeah. In the end, I went to the shop and Barry had a machine, you know. Cool. I'll show you later.
Trick. Like then she can help you like there. Not like. Yay. Yeah, I thought you used that thing.
Yeah. I think green matches this best. Look at this. And this one. Woo!
It's like so colorful.
Okay, we're done with the wheels. Now we're doing some signing. Okay, now it's autograph signing time. Rebecca's gonna write her name here, and I'm gonna write my name here, so we know that it's our board. Lean on her. Eh? Oh, there it is. There it is. You see it? You see it? You see it? There. Alright. Hello, good evening. We're now heading off to... Where are we heading off to? A chalet? Aloha Changi?
Is it your place, your office there?
What is it called? There's nothing there, no? Changi Village?
It's a Changi Coast Walk.
Oh, Changi Coast Walk. Let's go. So much food.
得啦，你啦。哦，身邊。
What part is there have?
啊。
Oh. Satay. We're heading out to the gas station to get drinks. Check out this new car. Ooh. What is it? One day. Is it?
哇！啊，你老三呢？
Huh? Mic. So we can hear.
妈呀，今天是说我们一先庆祝中秋节，一先庆祝中秋节，我们家庭聚会，Happy！ No, it's ready for one packet. You take.
Whose birthday?
一先庆祝，and 6月到9月的人生日一起庆祝。
没有10月。
10月的人哦。
Star Wars, no, Darth Vader. I like this one. We are at the Chu family gathering celebrating Mooncake Festival. 它在外面呢。Just keep holding it. Yeah.
Don't move. 对，把这些东西割掉。OK。
Okay.
加油吗？
Yeah, just turn right.
我爱你有多深，我爱你有几分？你想，你去看一看，别让代表我的心。두개도 갖고 스코어는 아니고.
It's all about luck.
冰皮 one. This one got egg. This one, I don't know. This one
Don't like
don't like. This one got egg.
我的女儿要去柏林。These are the.
，OK, stay up, stay up. Oh, kita tahu makan itu. Okay, stay up.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. 祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐！
I feel very happy because Charlotte is filming me.
Okay, so so many people's birthdays today. Yay!
Happy
Happy for what reason?
because a lot of people like me. Yes.
What do you feel right now? What you are doing? I want to know what you feel right now.
What?
What you feel?
I feel nothing. Feel very noisy.
Awesome.
Why?
Because it's so much nice food and mooncake festival.
嗨，你好，很开心有全家人在一起庆祝，然后祝你们中秋节快乐。
Feeling good.
Why? Why? Because I get to see Charlotte, I get to see everybody.
Okay.
I'm very tired.
Okay. Why?
Okay, ask mommy drive home later.
We take cab.
Take care.
I feel so bad. Why? Why? Because I pay share.
What?
What feeling?
What feeling? Happy?
Why?
Gathering? Right?
Why?
Family gathering.
Family gathering, why? How are you feeling now? Happy. Why? Because I'm playing with Jaden.
Okay. I am feeling very tired because the camera is quite heavy and my hand is like going to break. Don't know how to go bowling later. What? What's that?
Watch case.
Case?
For you to keep your watch.
I have a watch and I feel like money to buy watch. I want it only capsule. Every day I just one game, okay?